Ay, yung aso! Ang cute ng pat ng aso. Tapatan mo. Tapatan mo. Doggy! Doggy! Ano yan? Doggy? Doggy! Hello! Hello! We're in Marikina now. This is the bicycle lane. As you can see, this is Robinson's Marikina. We're heading to Robinson's Marikina. Please fasten your seatbelt. Hello, doggy.
Napahiya siguro eh.
Marikina Valley Medical Center. Look at that. It's Papero.
Easily solve that. All you
It's Aruray. Now, right here in Robinson's. On the other side, it's Markington, Blue Wave. Say hi, people. Say hi.
Picture it. In an instant, meron ka ng lipstick. Isn't it cool and easy?
Papaliko tayo sa Marikina City. Papaliko tayo sa Marikina City.
Station in Mega Manila. Ang grabe sa
May traffic. Here's Aruray again. And Papero again. How about me? Later, maybe.
Yan.
We're heading to Blue Wave, Marikina.
Ay, kumay condominium.
Now, this is our home, our condominium. We're going home. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. There, you can see my room. Up in the 10th floor.
Ang specialty po namin ay umisig sa tea kasi